This is Brenda Weber, and this is week 3, building an instrument tray. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to put on my PPE first. Okay, so I have on my bonnet and my mask, and I'm ready to get started. Okay, so I've found my drape, my wrap, and I've laid it out, and this is going to represent my pan for assembly. I have my checklist, and I will be putting together the general minor laparotomy set. There's my name, the list of instruments. I also included some hints that you gave in your video, like the common name for the towel clip, Edna, and then the difference between the Kelly and the cryo clamp. And here's my list of items that are either present or missing and how many. I'm going to set this over here. And we'll get started from the list. Okay. All right. First, start with the knife handles, the number 3 and the number 7. The Yankar suction. And I know it would be metal, but like you said, we only have plastic. We have a standard DeBakey. And then tissue forceps with teeth. And then the Addison with teeth. Teeth are looking kind of bleary. There we go. All right, and then going to be followed. We don't have a brown Addison, so I'm going to the towel clips next. And it's asking for, get the ratchet off, a non-penetrating towel clip. All right, and then we have the penetrating towel clip. It's pointy, sharp at the end. Okay. Then we have a mosquito. Small. Then a Kelly clamp. And I remember you said the Kelly clamp goes halfway. That was a good hint. And then the cryo, which goes all the way. And then the Alice forceps. And I don't have the long, but I do have an Alice. Then the next is the Coker. Make sure you can see them. And I don't have a Dietrich, but I do have a right angle mixer. See the angle? And male Hager needle holder. I don't have the 5-inch, but I do have the 7. Then there is the Forster's forceps. Okay. Then I don't have straight male scissors. I do have a curved. And I did do a tissue test on them. Okay. Then I have a curved Metz embalmed scissor. And then I have a Sin retractor. Okay. I do not have the green goiter or the Wheatlander, but I did look them up so I know what they look like. So here are all my instruments in the order of the checklist. And so now I'm getting ready to pick up my stringer, and let's string these ringed instruments. All right, so here's my stringer. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and I'm going to start with all my ringed instruments. So, got the non-penetrating towel clip, and then the sharp penetrating one. The mosquito, and I'm making sure they all go in the same direction. The Kelly, same direction, and then the cryo. Addison, is it Addison? Allison, Alice, I'm saying it right, the Alice, Coker, I don't have a Carmalt, and I don't have a right angle Dietrich, but I do have the right angle mixer. Hagar, male Hagar needle holder, the 7-inch, I don't have the 5. Forster forceps. I don't have straight mayo, but here's the curved mayo. And then the Metz embalm curved. And I'm going to close the stringer. Here are all my, oh, one did not go on. So let me, slippery little bugger. Why you need to go slow. I'd have to start all over if I had more instruments. Okay. There's my stringer. All the instruments are in the same direction. They're open on both rings. I'm going to set that to the side. And now for the instruments that I hold. All right, for all those that don't go on the stringer, the needle holders, the yank hour suction tips, all of the forceps, and the Sin retractor. So this is the DeBakey, the Tissue, and the Addison. Okay, I think that's it.